This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Showings and open house Saturday, April 30th 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Sunday, May 1st 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Charming two-story pool home with fenced-in yard and master on the first floor. This is a must-see. RVs, boats, trailers and motorcycles welcome. This home has ample parking for several vehicles and your toys. Washer and dryer do not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.